Sun benefits of morning sunlight. Sun resets your circadian rhythm, better sleep at night, boosts serotonin, improved mood plus calm focus, naturally increases energy without caffeine. Supports healthy melatonin production later, enhances vitamin D synthesis for immune and bone health, helps regulate hormones, appetite, and metabolism, reduces stress, anxiety and symptoms of depression, anchors your body to the day's natural rhythm globe. 9 o'clock best within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. Eye no sunglasses or windows. Direct light to the eyes, safely, prayer beads combined with a walk, stretch, or breathwork for extra magic.